Welcome to the Department of Library Services. In this video, you will learn how to search for legislation using Jutastat. Where do I find these legal databases on the University of Pretoria Library website? Step 1. Visit the library's website by going to the following URL. Step 2. Navigate to the Libraries and Units tab and select Law from the drop-down menu. Step 3. On the Law Library page, scroll down and click Quick Links, Databases. You will see a list of legal databases to which we have subscribed that you can use to find legal material. On the Law Library database page, scroll down and click on Jutastat. Log into your University of Pretoria portal using your username and password. Step 1. Click on the drop-down icon under Choose Advanced Search Form and select Axe Search. A preset search template will appear as shown. When you have done your search using the Act name field, for example, Labor Relations Act 66 of 1995, your results will look like this. Step 2. Click on the title of the Act and select View Full Act to see the full content of the Act. Please also take note of the following. A table of proclamations tells you when certain parts or sections of the Act will come into force, as sometimes not the whole Act comes into force simultaneously. Legislation judicially considered simply refers to the cases heard by our courts dealing with specific sections of the Act. Regulations under this Act will give you all the regulations made under the said Act. Therefore, you do not need to go elsewhere to find regulations under a particular piece of legislation. Congratulations, that's the end.